5 best tape measures. The item number 5 is 3 meters / 5 meters / 7.5 meters / 10 meters measuring. Brand name, chosen. Measurement range, 10 meters. DIY supplies, woodworking. Model number, LW004. 3 meters / 5 meters / 7.5 meters / 10 meters measuring roulette tape, double-side steel tape measure, flexible rule, Tapeline retractable measuring tools. The item number 4 is useful body measuring ruler. Model number, JJ2057. Material, plastic. Brand name, Tailor. DIY supplies, woodworking. Measurement range, 1.5 m. Type, Tailor tape. Material, plastic. Size, 1.5 meters. Feature, measurement. The item number 3 is top quality durable soft. Brand name, Roulette. Model number, SZ. Measurement range, 3 meters. DIY supplies, woodworking. Material, other. Top quality durable soft 3 meter 300 cm sewing Tailor tape body measuring measure ruler dressmaking. The item number 2 is 1/2/3/5 m self-adhesive. Main ingredient of the ruler is made of steel, with good hardness and corrosion resistant. Using imported environmental paint with double-layer baking, scale is clear and wear resistant. Cut to desired length, peel off the back to expose the adhesive, and apply where needed. The item number 1 is 151 cm self-adhesive matrix. Extremely useful addition to the workroom. Metallic silver stick-on tape measures. We have them on our sewing machine and cutting table edges. They have quickly become indispensable. Metric and imperial measurements. Left to right reading. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.